try natin gumamit ng gitara ngayon. Mag-play tayo ng gitara kasi sa haba ng panahon na hindi tayo nakakahawak ng gitara, syempre mga daliri natin masakit, lalo na pag ang chords na to is yung matigas. So ngayon susubukan natin ulit gumamit ng gitara. Magpa-practice tayo ulit kasi mahabang panahon na hindi ako nakagamit nito hanggang sa nasira na lang yung isa kong gitara na ipadala ko na. So bumili din ako ng mumurahin lang para lang minsan may kapalitan ba, yung may mapaglibangan na iba. So itatry natin ulit. There's goes my heart, cause you are the reason I'm losing my sleep. It's good now. There's goes my mind racing, and you are the reason that I'm still breathing, but I'm hopeless now. That you are the reason. There goes my mind shaking. You are the reason my heart keeps beating. I need you now. If I could turn back the dark, I'd show the light if we had the dark. I spent every hour for every day keeping you safe. I drive every mountain and swim every ocean just to be with you and face what I'm doing. Oh, 'cause I need you to see that you are the reason. Guys, sakit practice lang kasi taon na hindi ako humawak ng gitara. So eto, nagpa-practice tayo ulit. Okay guys, practice lang. Alam mo naman, dyan tayo nagsisigaw sa practice.